Salamat po. Take care. You are. These doors are very light. They look a lot heavier than they are. That pretty much concludes our little expedition here. Now that we got food in our systems, we really don't feel like walking around. Alrighty, we got ourselves a ride. It's a little bit of the ways away, but there is a bench over where we need to go to, so let's head on over. Over there, that's where we need to go to. We've got 13 seconds before we can cross. This ain't like other cities, man. You actually wait for the light to cross. That's one thing I do like about Eastwood, though. You know, it is more respectful, more responsible. That'll conclude our little Eastwood adventures, man. Beautiful city, and I kind of want to live here again now that I think about it. But there are some other cities that I've been checking out as well, so I don't really know if I'll commit to this one. But they have it all here, man. They've got the mall, the Eastwood, the Avenue, the mall, the Eastwood and Avenue. Ladies first. Where are you going? Hello, ¿cómo está po? Good evening. Right here is fine, to the right. All right, you're gonna have to grab the backpack in there, the little bag. Okay. Salamat po. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Welcome to my humble abode. It smells kind of weird. Alrighty, we're back. And it's time to check out all this random junk that we got, dude. Holy. Did I spend too much money today? Absolutely. Did I get a lot of things that I wanted? Yeah, kind of. There's this yoga mat. This is for Ara to make me some more money. We also have this little basket of goodies, man. Oh yeah, I forgot we went to Robinson's. Yo, these sweets better be good. Which one do you want me to try first?
Purple.
Alright, go ahead and open that one while I'm going through all this stuff. We also got marshmallows. We got giant straws. I've got paper straws already, but they're paper, and you guys know I don't really like the paper ones. These ones are a bit big. These are the same size as the one you just had in your mocha. Oh, nice. That looks nice. This little bin for our containers. Not for our containers, it is the container. Little bin for all of her makeup and stuff, man. And I guess she got these two as well. Yeah, where did these come from? I never knew we even got these.
You're not paying attention.
No, I'm not. I'm only paying attention to what I grabbed. And this is a little cushion right for here, man. Because there's this cushion, but it sucks, so bam. That should be better. What's this? What's this?
Bebe.
A baby?
Ube.
You know what? This actually tastes just as bad as I thought it would, dude. This thing is terrible, man. I knew it. I saw the wrapper and I knew it'd be bad.
Do you want to try the chocolate?
No, I don't want to try any of the other ones, man.
You're the one who got this.
I got the chocolate ones, but I knew that purple one would be bad, dude. And nothing good comes out of purple sweets. Alrighty. I like being able to lay this one flat. Here's my little vlog bag. You also got this little thing. Your little Catwoman hoodie. I don't want to try more of them. I'm good.
This is mango.
This is mango. Let me see. It actually does smell like mango. It's not bad, but it's still pretty terrible overall. Here's your little Catwoman hoodie. I'm sure you'll be taking that on our trips. We got two of these ice packs. We do have a ton of ice packs, as you guys can probably see in here, but the problem is a lot of these, oh, they're not even here. But a lot of these don't have the sturdy lids on them, man. They kept slipping off. So I wanted to get better ones. And they're hard to come by. This is for when we're just chilling. We got our little workout things. This is practically open already. How strong is it? Ah, it's not too bad. Try it. All the way. Pick them, touch. Hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we got these better mittens, man. These ones actually fit all the way on my hand. Look at these tiny ones, dude. They barely even bend. Look at that. You can barely grip things with them. So people can have these ones. I'll give it to whoever comes over next. Of course, more bathroom scrunchies. I'll be using this weird little tube thingy. I have no idea what this is. So instead of hairband. And Ara got herself a water bottle.
Water butter.
Whoa.
Water.
This is actually a really nice one. See if it fits underneath there. Don't actually fill it with water because you have to wash it first, but just see if it'll fit. Barely. Barely fits. I think it's the same height as that one though, isn't it? Yeah, it's just about the same, yeah. So I got the blue one because I knew it would fit underneath there. And then to finish it off, there is the backpack. And the bag itself, man.
You know why I got this?
Adding another beautiful bag to our collection. Why'd you get this?
Got no straw.
That one doesn't have a straw? Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to replace the straw on that one, or just change it out. I've washed them before, they're just a bit difficult to wash and annoying to wash. I like this bag though. This is the true beauty out of everything we got. Anyways, managed to find the black straws. Didn't quite see the black sheets or, what is it, the black gloves either, man. Granted, we didn't go to a mattress place or any kind of comforter place that has them. I know there's one in Cubao, but even they don't have all black, so I will most likely have to order those off of Lazada, which I'm not opposed to. I just find it annoying, man. You guys know I don't like waiting. Anyways, that's that. Next vlog will probably be something completely random. Do I know what it is? Not yet. I kind of just do whatever comes to mind. Like always, appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next time. Take care. Peace out. Peace.